Hello, everyone. I want each and every one of you to start speaking like an engineer. Okay? Start speaking like a network engineer, but especially the new, you know, those that are new to computer networking. Look at these two topologies here. I'm making this video for those that does not know how to, you know, arrange IP address, to assign IP addresses to computer system. Most of you here, you know, always want to simulate or do some practical, but because you don't know how to arrange the IP address, and that is why I've made this video. This IP address you are seeing here is an IP network. Okay, this is a network address. So this address here this /24 you're seeing here is this. Each octet is 8 bits. This is 8 bit, 8 bit, 8 bits times 3, which is 24 bits. That is why we are having this here. This, it can decide to remove this. This represent this. Okay, so this host here is about 8 bits, and this is where you get your normal valid IP addresses. So if you say 2 power 8, which is equals to 256 minus 2, you have, 254, which means this IP address here can give you about, about 254 valid IP addresses, which means you can assign about 254 computers with IP addresses connected to the same network. So now look at this network. It's connected to this switch now. You have the same network. Now look at from this IP now, I've assigned this number 1. Okay, it cannot assign this 0 because this 0 is network address, and it cannot assign the broadcast address. This is the broadcast address. This is the broadcast address. Sorry, this is the broadcast address. 192.168.10.255. You can't assign it. So anything in between. Okay, so now this number 1, this number 2, this number 3, anyone you assign this subnet mask to show that yes, this is the subnet mask, which is this. Now you assign this number 4. You can see it's a straightforward thing. This is a star topology. Okay, all the computers are connected to this switch, which is star topology, and this is the most common way of building network in today's network. Okay, so this is peer-to-peer. You can use this to network just 2 computers. Okay, in a peer-to-peer network, is only 2 computers that can gonna use a straight-through cable. It can, if 2 of you are students and you have laptops, it can take a crossover cable, connect to the network interface card of your laptop, and the other one's network interface card of his own laptop, and assign IP addresses. If you don't know how to assign IP addresses, there's a video I made here, how to assign IP address. Okay, I use my computer to do it, practical. So now it can ping from here. It can ping from this system to this system. If you ping, you get about 3 messages. Okay. The first one, if that ping is not successful, you see destination unreachable, which means you can now find that IP address. Okay. There is no IP address on that system. Okay. Or if you see timeout, which means the IP address you assign to that system to the other system is wrong. Okay, you see timeout, but you see a particular message. After that message, you see packet sent for, receive for, and 0 loss, which is a successful ping. Or if you want to pick from the switch, as you set these computers to this switch now and assign IP addresses, if you want to ping from switch to this, which means you need to assign this switch with an IP address too, so that it will use that IP address to communicate with these ones. Okay, and how to do it is, you assign, go to interface switch global configuration mode, interface VLAN 1. You must assign it to VLAN 1. If you want to give switch an IP address, is VLAN 1. Interface VLAN 1, you hit enter, and you are in VLAN 1 virtual LAN interface now, where I put IP address. Okay, 192.168.10.254. It can assign the last IP address on this address space. Okay, 255.255.255.0. You hit enter. Now, switch can communicate with this. Then when you ping, just put exit here to come back to switch privilege mode. This is a privilege mode look like. You can say ping 192.168.10.1. It can ping any of these. When you hit, you will see it like this exclamation point into 4. This is how it looks in a switch or router. Into 4. 4 packets sent and 4 received. When you get something like this, which means that thing is successful. And these computers can share files. Any folder here, any folder that is saved in this computer, it can share it, and all this computer can access it. Okay, even here, if you do this with your 2 laptops or 2 computers, after assigning IP addresses, this number 1 here, number 2 here, it can share folder. I will teach you how to do that in the next video. Okay, share folder, you see your computer, see it. I'll teach you how to share folder. Okay, so this is how to start doing this and making sure that one computer can communicate with another computer. This is the way to learn. Okay, by the time you do it, do not, you see, some people think network is hard. It's not hard. Just put in your best. I started like you. Okay, thank you, and see you in the next tutorial.